Today, I'd like to introduce the newly launched Factory Direct st2520B dual bay hard drive docking cage. It fits into a standard chassis floppy drive bay, making it compatible with most mainstream cases without taking up extra space. And installation is extremely easy. It supports 2.5-inch SATA HDDs and features hot-swappable plug-and-play functionality. You can expand storage without shutting down your computer for effortless operation. Now let's test it with a hard drive on site. With a front dual bay design and a built-in security lock. Simply pull to open the tray, insert the hard drive, and push it firmly into place. The entire process is tool-free, allowing you to swap drives or backup data in just seconds. Next, let's take a look at the side details, and finally, the rear connectors. Sturdy materials, fine workmanship, and reliable, stable quality are all guaranteed.